Express y as a function of x. A, b, and c are constant positive numbers. All right, so what they want me to do is they want me to get y all alone by itself. Issue number one is y lives inside of a log. That's no good. Not only do I have a log on the left, I have a log on the right. So this is my first step. I'm going to add log c to both sides. I'm going to add log c to both sides. Now, even though it doesn't look pleasant, this is good news because I have log of y minus a plus log of c. Both of these guys are invisible base 10s, which means you guys combine. When you add logs of the same base, multiply the insides. So when I multiply the insides, I have log base invisible 10, which you know what, I will write out because I know I'm going to need that. Multiply c to y minus a, which includes the distributed property. So this becomes cy minus ca. That still equals bx. Now, why did I write that 10? Well, that log is still in the way, and I need to isolate that y. And so in order to get rid of a log base 10, I could take the 10 to the of both sides. 10 to the of both sides. That allows me to cross these guys out. That leaves me with cy minus ca equals 10 to the bx. Is y all by itself? Nope. Let's add ca, or as Arnold Schwarzenegger would say, California. He was the governor. The governator. What is that? 10. How do they want me to write it out? It doesn't really matter. It looks like 10 to the bx plus ca. Divide everything by c, divide everything by c, divide everything by c, because it looks like they want to keep these guys separated, just like that one song from the 90s. I think that was Offspring. I have 10 to the bx over c plus a, and that gives me a. Not that pleasant of a problem. Not fun at all. But it allowed me to do all these fun log rules, and I did it.